Chris Ray showing off his May Laban moves. Ang cute, diba?
La 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 laban pag 3 pataas. Mag-Wonder Kid Preschool 3 plus. Tumakbo ng mabilis. Tumalon and on. Kayang magpadulas. May laban din lumukso. Pag 3 pataas. Mag-Wonder Kid Preschool 3 plus. La 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 laban. Mag-Wonder Kid Preschool 3 plus. Batang may laban.
Actually, I came across this TikTok video where kids are showing their May Laban moves. And ang ganda ng idea. It's a fun way to remind us moms. Para sa active kids, importanteng may wastong timbang tangkad sila. Hindi pwedeng basta gatas lang. Kailangan yung proven and tested for growth na nakakatulong para maging laban ready sila sa paglaki. Kaya with Bonakid Preschool 3+, kids are always laban, ready sa paglaki, ready to run, jump, play, at magpakita ng kanilang May Laban moves. Share your child's May Laban moves today.